Sup, it's ComputersAreMyHobby. First of all, I would like to say happy holidays to all you YouTubers out there. And for Christmas, I have gotten the Clear Raider. So, yeah, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. And I also have a few other guns, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be making a couple other videos. So, let's get started. So, first of all, let's get the scissors. I don't have my pocket knife with me or anything, so cut that. Alright, so this is the one from Target, so it comes with the coveted red darts, and of course the Raider. What the heck? Screw you. Random warning tags that nobody pays attention to. Alright. Typical Nerf crap. You have to work the gun. And let's see. I'm a very dangerous man when it comes to scissors. So we have the clear stock, which I probably won't use, and the two Nerf guys is probably going to be begging me to give to them. The little part where you put the clips in. A clear drum mag, which I do like, because it's a lot easier to see your darts as compared to the regular Raider's drum mag, where only this part is clear, not the whole rest of it. So I really like that. So, and then the star of the show, the Clear Raider. If I can get it out. So yeah, very nice. And why can't I shoot it? Okay, well, I'll have to get back to you on a firing test, because for some reason I'm doing something wrong and it's not shooting. There we go. Had to put in a little stupid little thing there. Alright, so yeah. So, you can see what's going on inside here. The spring moving and stuff, so yeah, stock with the stock and the drum mag. Give me a sec. So, that's with the drum mag there. And now for the coveted red darts. This is going to be difficult. There we go. Okay, not as bad as I thought. I lied. I'm sorry. So, we get rid of that. Ah, crap. Okay. And let's open this up. Well, let's not open it up. I'll take care of it later. Okay, well, that is the Clear Raider for you guys, and now I will be doing a firing test. Okay, I'm going to be doing a firing test on the Clear Raider. I am first going to do 5 shots at but with it straight. And it's about 24 feet to the broken closet door there. Long story. Don't ask. And now for a 45-degree angle upwards. Alright, so a couple bounced off the ceiling. So this definitely gets more than 24 feet. This isn't a very good firing test, but it gets the same as the regular Raider.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sub it up.
Hey, welcome to Subscriber Promotions, the part of the show where I thank everyone who has subscribed and friended to me. But since this time I haven't made a video in a while, so they've kind of accumulated. So I'm going to split it up between this video and another video, which will be right there. And so this one time I will be doing the subscribers, and the other video will be the friends. So today we have Philip M94, the artist 7. His name is Bob123123. Tooth Good Jab. Sorry. Toys with Drake, Mega Skater Dog, and the Optist. So if you want to be a part of this, all you have to do is press that little yellow button up there. That's simple. So I will see you later.